there she will stay, my little runaway. Run, 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 run away. Oh! Maybe I should be up here by myself. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Would this work? I could be in front of the green screen. Everybody talks. No, 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 no. This is the book I never read. These are the words I never said. This is the path I'll never tread. These are the dreams I'll dream instead. This is the joy that's seldom spread. These are the tears of tears we've shed. This is the fear, this is the dread. These are the contents of my head. And these are the years we spent. This is what they represent. This is how I feel. Do you know how I feel? I don't think you know how I feel. I don't think you know why. And tell me why. How many times do I have to try to tell you that I'm sorry for the things I've done? But when I start to try to tell you, that's when you have to tell me, hey, this kind of trouble's only just begun, yeah. Let's go down to the water's edge. We can cast away those doubts. Some things are better left unsaid, but they still turn me inside out. Turning inside out. Turning inside out. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. 5 minutes? I hardly think. Tell me why. We could call that good enough.
Yeah, I think we could.
I mean, why not? Why not? Why? Yep, this is how we green screen it. We should probably green screen. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, Neiman Wayndom, Omanungum. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO is a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Emily Aubrey. This is Michael Lyons. And condone BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons.
Hello, everyone. How you doing?
Okay, we're not really going to use this, are we?
Probably not.